All right, hi guys, it's Carl at Escape, and today is our unboxing event. Now, some of you know we've been working on ordering up some acrylic windows, and I have one that I've just received. So let's do a bit of an unboxing here and see what we've got. It's our first official unboxing. And you thought it was the end of Christmas presents, huh? Wow, that's cool. Pretty nice. This is a small one, obviously. Look at that. So nicely packed. So, now, of course, what's really nice about these windows is they're acrylic, so the thermal performance is significantly better than glass. They are far more rugged, should we say, than glass would be in terms of breakage. So, more durable. They also come, as you can see from here, with an integrated bug screen and blackout blind assembly, which is this guy here. So it's the first time I'm actually seeing this in the flesh. So that would be the inside. I guess that ring would be for the outside, like that. So this will be on the inside. I'll be running up for blackout, down, open, and then up for blackout, down for bug screen. That looks pretty good. So then that will go, obviously will be attached to this on the inside. And then here is our ring, which I'll just put over there. And then the small window on the inside. So there you go. We got the dome-shaped ones, so the bubble shaped. Nice. Good. Neat. And then that should be it. Yeah. And all the way back down. There we go. We have our acrylic windows. I bought a set of these to put onto my marketing trailer for the 21NE marketing trailer that I sincerely hope to take down through the US later on this year. And then we can have these windows to show off to people. Nice. Now, what I really like here, Harrison, is we get so much more opening space than what we do with our current glass windows. Plus the three positions that are on here really give you quite a lot of opening space then with that really nicely integrated bug screen and blind. On the inside, really kind of adds to both the functionality and the privacy side of these windows. And I do like the locking mechanism that we've got on here. So it's definitely a robust locking mechanism on these windows. So there you go. Not much more to say about them. Look pretty good. More to come on this one. Thanks everyone. Carl at Escape Trailer. We're built for you.